Hi, welcome iTech YouTube channel. This is my first video about installing Ubuntu desktop. Let's see how to install Ubuntu latest version in 2021. In this tutorial I'm going to use VMware Workstation. First download VMware Workstation and Ubuntu latest version from official sites. You can find the download links in the description. Make sure your PC support for virtualization and your PC and got enough RAM capacity and hard disk space to run Ubuntu. For this tutorial you need at least 4 GB RAM and 25 GB hard disk space. After the download, open and install VMware Workstation. Then click Create New Virtual Machine. And follow the steps on video. Select the location you want to save Ubuntu installation files. You can select anywhere you want in your hard disk, or network location. Select the processor's core amount you want to use for Ubuntu. Then select the RAM amount as 2048 MB and 20 GB amount of hard disk space. If you want you can increase the amount. Also you can change them later. Save the VMDK file the same location you choose it for installation file of Ubuntu. Click Customize option and select New CD, DVD option. Then choose the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded. Click Power on this virtual machine for start the Ubuntu system. In this video I'm going to install Ubuntu, then click Install Ubuntu. If you want to use it without installation then click Try Ubuntu. If you want to download latest updates and extra software you can select other options. For now remove the tick and select Click Continue. In this menu you can make partitions. If you don't want partitions you can click First option. But if you don't have enough RAM and if you need more partitions select second option. Then click little plus icon to make partitions. First I'm going to make swap partitions. Swap partition will work as extra RAM. When your RAM not enough, swap partition will act as RAM. Enter 2048 MB and select swap area on use as option. Then click OK. Now make another partition to save system files. Keep the full amount and keep the ext4 journaling file system and select the mount point as /. Then click OK. Click the ext4 partition and click Install now to install Ubuntu. In this menu select your time zone. Then enter your short name, full name and computer name, and password. Then wait until finish the installation. It will take few minutes to complete. The time will depend on your PC performance. Select your username and now enter the password you entered during the installations. You can change the resolution on settings. Congratulations! You successfully installed Ubuntu. Now you can customize the settings in Ubuntu on your choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share the video with your friends.